Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make fenugreek potato meat or aloo gosht with methi. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we have taken 1 onion, 3 medium sized tomatoes, 3 chilies, some slices of lentils. We have also take 5 medium sized potatoes and also some fenugreek or methi. We have take half kg meat. So let's start. First of all, we will cut the lesson like that. Now here we are cutting the onion in small pieces like that. Here we have cut all the tomatoes and chilies in this way. After that we will add half cup oil in our lesson and onion and put it on the flame for making it light brown. We have taken mustard oil for cooking. By converting it into cooking oil, you can also use mustard oil or any other cooking oil, or also use ghee instead of this oil. Here you can watch easily that our onion and our lesson start frying. You should have to mix the onion and the lesson during frying. Here you can see that our onion and lesson are brown. Now we will add fenugreek or methi in it. Mix it well, and after that add the cut tomatoes and chilies in it like that. Again mix it well. Again mix it very well like that. Here we will add 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon salt, half tablespoon turmeric, and also here we will add the half tablespoon of red chili. Again mix it very well like that. You can watch here, it is looking so delicious. Here we will add little bit water to soften the tomato. If your mixture starts sticking at the bottom, then you can also use the half cup of oil. Now you can watch a beautiful mixture is ready, and you should have to fry your mixture when your methi become darker color, and after that we will add potatoes in it like that. We will cut the potatoes in this shape, and also we will add the meat in it. Again mix it well and fry. During frying you should have to shuffle all the mixture and give it rest, and after that again shuffle it and again give it rest for a little bit seconds like that. We will fry the whole mixture for 12 to 13 minutes, and after that our mixture start releasing oil. It's mean our mixture is now fried. Now add water in it. We will add 1.5 kg water in our mixture. Here we will close the cooker and hide the flame like that. When this whistle start whistling, we will lower the flame and make it on the bottom. Here we will cut the mint for garnishing. Here we will cut the mint for garnishing. Here we will cut the mint for garnishing. You can watch easily that our whistle start whistling. Now we will lower the flame. As you can watch here, it is on the bottom of the pot. Left it for 40 minutes. You can watch here, after 40 minutes our potato meat is ready. Now we will garnish it by mint like that. And here is our delicious food. You should have to try it at home. And here's the final look of our this dish. It's looking so beautiful. Thanks for watching video, and Allah Hafiz.